What is up, guys? So, you know, I'm still new to this, so. See if I can get the e-brake in my car today. I know none of you have seen it yet, so it's pretty exciting, but after that I think I'm gonna go right to Amy's and then hang it with her. We're gonna see if we can't go swimming in the lake. Yeah. So we fixed the e-brake here, and after this I kind of stopped talking about the car and started talking to my brother's friend. But the e-brake was bent, the connecting rod that went from the e-brake itself to the master cylinder, so I swapped that out with a thicker rod and threw that in, and me and my brother's friend ended up taking it out for a test trip. Just rally it. Yeah. So the car is a 99 E46. It's a 323i. It's got a welded diff, and it's gutted with a racing seat. I can't remember the brand. It's got a 4-point harness with a harness bar in the rear and strut bar in the rear as well. And the battery's relocated in the rear. It's got fully adjustable coilovers all around. It's got some camber right now, but I'm not sure exactly what it is. Hopefully I can take it to an alignment shop at some point and get a good benchmark. But it's not in the best shape. It's beat up. It's a drift missile, but it's exactly what I wanted. So it's also got a steering wheel, as you can see, and a hydrostatic e-brake. And other than that, it's pretty well ready to run. There's a few things I'm going to tinker with and try and finish up and make it look a little prettier, but it's a project car. Come on. Now I'm done. There we go. You gotta drive it. You're driving them. Fun though, fun. Good time.
Oh, this thing is too much fun.
Yeah. Now we're back in the box. Well, that was fun. Got the e-brake all rigged up, ready to go. It pulls hard, locks nice. Excited to see how it's going to be on the pavement. I've only ever driven it on dirt. But so we got couple laps in. Nothing too special. I don't want to break it at my brother's before I actually get to drive it at an event. That would be really, really upsetting considering I already booked the event August 8th and 9th. We'll be at Shannonville then. I just don't want to break it goofing around testing it before I get it there and then not be able to go. I book it, break the car, and then I miss the event. That'd be my luck too. Other than that, we're just headed to Amy's right now. Might stop and grab a drink because I'm dying. It's like 33 degrees and humid, sticky. Ready? Alright, so this video didn't go exactly as planned. I wanted to get more clips of me working on the car, so that's what I want the channel to be about.
I'm gonna leave the keys right here.
No carnage, that's good.